Hey guys, it's me Isla and Tala, and today, of course, subscribe, like, and share. And ayan, bagong video naman siya. Challenge! Yay! First time challenge ko yun. Ang gagawin namin ay whisper challenge. So ayan, nagmamadali kasi.
Ito gusto ko to.
Kasi manonood kami ng movie in Awayan.
Ah!
Tapos, ang gagawin namin siya ay whisper challenge. And let's get started. Ayan, magta-type lang ako ng song.
Press the thumbs up! Or press the down.
Ayan. Okay, ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go. Ayan, guys. Hintay natin kasi, rinig na rinig sabihin. Ready na ba? Okay. Ang first word ay friendship. Ay, ano na lang. Ang first word namin, ay, you're fine. Sino fifty? Okay.
Brew fry.
Okay, ibahin ko na French fries. Okay. French fries.
Last fries.
French fries.
Fries.
French fries.
French fries.
Correct. So, ayan, naka 1 point na si Tala. Woo! Next, it's my turn.
You're gonna watch.
Okay, I'm ready. Tala, pick a word na.
Okay,
Ako
ako na go.
tayong dalawa sa hotel, tapos mag-Netflix tayo
Wait a moment,
mag-apon.
pick a word.
Ah,
Whisper mo sa sa kanila. Whisper mo. Sige. Whisper mo.
solo.
Okay, go.
Solo.
Solo. Yay! 1 point. Sana na dyan ka. So, yan guys. Naka 1 point na naman ako.
So,
Woo! Ayan. So, next si Tala. Naka 2 points. 1 point na ako. So, ready na ako. Ang pipit ko ay travel. Okay, ready? Go. Travel. Ay,
hindi ko narinig yung
travel.
travel.
Ay, narinig yun. Yan pala guys. Okay. Ano? Walang magtatanggal. Okay, ang sabihin ko ay going bulilit.
Go to Blackpink.
Going bulilit. Doon ka. Going bulilit. Going bulilit.
Go to Puning.
Going bulilit.
Go and Balilit.
Correct! Yay! So, it's my turn. Naka 2 points si Tala. Woo! Ako naman, guess, ako, 1 point lang. 2 points. Ha, joke lang. May round pa ako. So, ayan. Papalitan ko yung song ko. Thank you.
Why? Ah! Yay,
Let's go.
Yay.
Tala.
You say aray.
Okay, go.
Say alon. Dad.
Okay, go.
Dad.
Pupo.
Say pupo.
Ay, wait lang, guys.
Kailangan natututong magsalita kasi bago magkualam mo kung bakit.
Ah!
Guys, what happened?
Guys, sorry guys. Okay, ano?
What?
Foot!
Dad.
Water.
Food!
Water.
Water!
Yes!
Yay! And yeah, guys.
Naka-aircon kami, guys.
Naka 2 points sa kasutay. Kung dapat, per anong seconds ulit? Per 5 seconds.
Ay, 5 seconds.
Per 20 seconds. So,
Yes.
ayun. Na-beat ko ay, nag-count kasi ako ay, ano lang, 18 lang pala.
Right?
So, ayan, nagbibilang
Kiss,
tayo
kiss,
lahat.
Kiss, mommy.
Okay, ready na ba kayo? Nag-isip na ako ng word.
Love, love, love.
Ayan, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Pumpkin.
Poopy.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Pumpkin.
Poppy.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Pumpkin.
Say
Mommy.
Puro mommy. Pumpkin.
Zombie.
Pumpkin.
Zombie.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Pumpkin.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh,
Ano nasabi
guys.
mo?
Okay.
Ano nasabi mo?
Pumpkin. 2 points lang siya. Ako naman 3. Ay, hindi. 2. 2. So, tie pa rin.
Picture.
Yeah. So, it's my turn. 3, 2, 1, start.
Babad ako lang.
Poppy.
Mommy!
Poppy.
Mommy!
Poppy.
Mommies!
Poppy.
Mama mamas!
Poppy.
Mommies!
Poppy.
Yay! Correct ako!
Hindi, Poppy.
Mommies!
Poppy.
Mommy!
Poppy.
Mommies!
Poppy.
Guys, I lose. Anong word? Anong word?
Hindi
Potties.
mo to, may palis na laway. Sala.
Puppies pala, guys. Okay, now it's your turn. Naka 2 points. So, isa 2 points. Okay lang, at least tayo.
Eh, dahil sa'yo galing, ang parang ng bibig mo.
Potties. Sorry.
Sorry guys, sa background mo. Ma, narinig kayo. Wala lang. Okay. Are you ready? Ang first word ko ay napkin.
Appy.
Napkin.
Tappy.
Napkin. Napkin.
Tappy.
Napkin.
Tofu. Oh.
Buti hindi na narinig. Napkin.
Nappy.
Napkin. Uy!
Nappy.
Napkin.
Nappies.
Napkin.
Nappies. 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 Nappies.
Yay! No. Sabi ko, napkin. And yeah, this my baby brother. Oh, ayun. Yeah. Ayan, it's my turn. Okay, pumili ka na ng word mo. Parang...